Hey guys, welcome to Protocoders Point. Okay, so in this Flutter tutorial, we're gonna learn how to disable a button when a button is being pressed. Okay, so we need to disable a button to prevent the button being getting pressed twice. Okay, so sometime what happens is when a user goes to submit a form due to button getting pressed twice, the form gets submitted twice, or there might be database error faced by the user. Okay, so what we need to do is when the button is been pressed once, the form should get submitted, and also the button should not be clickable until the form gets submitted. Okay, so here is the app I have created for just for this video tutorial. So as you can see, the button is clickable. So when I press on this, so now the opacity of this button is less, and for a 2 seconds the button will be unclickable, and after 2 seconds the button will be clickable. So as you can see over here, not clickable, and the opacity of the button I have changed to 0.1, so it is not visible. Okay, so now let's begin with creating a new Flutter project. Okay, so our Flutter project got created and in my Android Studio, and this is the default code given by Flutter while creating a new Flutter project. So I will just remove the default code given by Flutter team and create my own stateful widget over here and name it as my home. Okay, so now this my new stateful widget simply has a container. So I will just make use of scaffold widget and a body tag into it, and in body tag I will just show a button at the center of our screen. So for that I will make use of center widget with a child as elevated button, as I need to show a button on our screen. Okay, so elevation button should have a method or a property that is on press, and it should also have a child to show a text widget over here or a text on the button. So for now I will just make use of click. Okay, so I will just run this app now. Let's check how it look. Okay, so as you can see, there is a button at the center of our screen. Okay, so for now nothing will happen in this app when button is been pressed. We need to write the code. Okay, so I want to make this button disable when pressed for first time. So for that what I can do is I need to create a variable over here, boolean is button clickable, and set it to true. Okay, so when the app runs for the first time, the button should be clickable, so I have made it to true. So now in the button on press property, here I will make use of if statement to check if the button is clickable. If the button is clickable, if it is true, then we will call a method button function. I can name it as okay button function. So I need to create it. So over here I will just create, sorry, void button function. Okay, so in this function, what we need to do is we must make use of set state management, and we need to set the is button clickable variable to false. Okay, and that's it. Your button will not be able to function anymore. So let's run it. Okay, so before that I need to add a print statement so that I can show you that the button is not been pressed. Okay, so now when I press on this button for one time, so you can see a message over here, clicked once. So again, if I press on this button, there is no action performed on this button. Okay, so as you can see over here, there is no print when a button is being pressed for second time. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to change the opacity of this button so that user can understand that the button is not been clickable hand anymore. So what we can do is we can just wrap this button to opacity widget, opacity, and the opacity we need to use. So now what we can do is we can make use of this variable to set this opacity by using ternary operator. So for that I will make use of button clickable. Okay, so if it is true, then I will set the opacity of the button to 1, and if it is false, then I can set it to 0.2 or something. Okay, so if it is true, then 1, the button is visible, and if it is false, then this opacity of the button will be less. So let's run this now. Okay, so app is restarted. So when I press for one time, so as you can see, the button is clicked once, and immediately the opacity of the button got less, means it is less visible. So now the button is not clickable. Okay, so this is how we can disable a button from getting pressed twice. And one more thing, if you have a if you are developing an app that is that the user is submitting a form or something else, or network call is getting processed, so that time what happens is until the response get from the server side, you can't make this button again visible or clickable. So for that what we can do is we can get the response from the server, and depending on the server response you can enable this button. So I'm not making use of any server or anything, so I will just make use of feature in an Flutter, that is duration. Here what I will do is after 2 seconds I am making the button again clickable in future. So for that, first of all you need to make this function asynchronization so that you can make use of future delay, and here you need to pass the parameter of the duration, and the function you need to execute after 2 seconds. So as you can see over here, after 2 seconds, so this function will get executed. Okay, so here again I can make use of state management, and I can make the button again visible. Clickable, I will set it to true. Okay, so now I will just restart our app. Okay, so app got restarted. So when I press on this button for first time, the opacity will get decreased and the button is no longer clickable, and after 2 seconds the button is again visible. Okay, so this is just an example how you can again enable the button. So in your case you can make use of server response or any task that a user perform after it is getting processed and completed 100%. So you at that time you can disable this button again. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Hope you got the concept. Please do subscribe Protocoders Point. Thank you.